You join me today midway through my CNC router build. Progress has come to a halt because my tried and trusty drill decided to give up the ghost. For a while it's been playing up and giving it a knock on the side has enabled it to carry on going, but it's got to the point where it's unusable, so time for a repair. To strip the drill, I took a normal flat screwdriver, tidied up the faces and then ground the sides so it matched the slot on these fancy screws. They all came out quite easily, and the drill comes apart when you remove all of the screws. Lifting the assembly out of the body, I had a look at the commutator, which seemed, well, it's hard to establish if it's worn much. I can see slight steps, but still worth a repair. So I just cleaned up the commutator very lightly with some light grip glass paper, very lightly, just so it didn't look dirty. Bearings seem fine, either end, helix drive fine, so hopefully that'll sort out that part of it. Moving on, we look at the switching mechanism. When the drill's assembled, on this particular model, it has a switch in front of the trigger where you can select forward or reverse. What this does is it moves a slip ring, and that slip ring carries the carbon brushes. The carbon brushes are held in place during operation, and the tension is created by these coil springs. I'll zoom in. There's the coil spring. That's the carbon brush. You notice how the connection between the carbon and the brush holder is around its edge, and also through the spring to its connection. So quite a novel way of electrical connection for a basic brush. Carbon brush, slightly shaped to match the commutator. What I plan to do on this repair is to reverse the brush and see whether that'll give me any more life while I'm waiting for new brushes to arrive. I'll pause the video while I reassemble the commutator within the coil. Rejoin at this point. All I've done is slip the commutator within the coil. I had one brush already installed. The commutator slips in, and I've just added the second brush and then attached the spring so that it's bearing on the end of the brush. During operation, springs keep the carbon brushes in contact with this part of the commutator. The reversing switch just alters this slip ring from forward to reverse, or vice versa. Dropping the whole assembly into the body. It's probably best to attach the chuck mechanism. There's a simple sliding mount, and this pawl picks up the pawl within the chuck. The two gears will engage to rotate the chuck. It looks a bit of a fiddle. Success! Thanks for watching.